Cuarta y 4, lo que ha dicho Jorge. No podemos fallar esas oportunidades. Si al ataque le cuesta, nosotros tenemos que dar el doble. Por eso somos una familia, aunque sea ataque, defensa, special team. Todo es fireback. Vamos a continuar.
Venga, tío, la segunda parte es nuestra, ¿vale?
¡Un, dos, tres!
¡Familia!
¡Un, dos, tres!
¡Gente fría!
Vamos a hacerlo, tío.
Y que la sangre arda en el campo. Nosotros solo podemos ayudar. Vosotros hacéis el resto. ¡Let's go! Venga, va, tío, va. Ataque con fuerza. Cada bloqueo darlo al máximo. No hay otras oportunidades. Solo hay una final.
¡Vamos a ver! ¡100% contra ellos!
¡Vale, vámonos!
If only we could fly. Limp Bizkit style. John Otto. Take him to the Matthews Bridge. Can you feel it? A generation. Get up! A generation. Are you ready? Do you know where you are? Welcome to the jungle, punk. Take a look around. It's Limp Bizkit up your town. We downloaded the shockwave for all the ladies in the cave to get your groove on. And maybe I'm the one who flew over the cuckoo's nest. Well, guess who's next? Generation X, Generation Strange. So don't even shine through our window pane. So go ahead and talk. Talk about me. And go ahead and talk about my generation. 'Cause we don't give again. We won't ever give a gun till you give about me and my generation. Hey kid, take my advice. You don't wanna step into a big pile of Captain is drunk. Your world is Titanic, floating on the funk. So get your groove on. And maybe I am just a little dumb. Life's just a little dumb. Generation X, Generation